Okay, hey, today let's practice English together. We're going to practice English speaking while walking because I'm an English learner and speaking in real life is like one of the best ways to practice. And today we're going to practice in a very beautiful place. Yeah, we're going to take a walk around beautiful streets. Look, right here we got street musicians. It's like a band and they're playing some music. And the people are watching the way they're playing. He's playing the guitar and singing. It's cool. There are so many people today on these streets. And it's really loudly, like seriously, I can't hear myself. Yeah, you can chill here in the shade. It's hot summer day, bro, it's hot summer day in Moscow. Yeah, like that's really loudly. And today I wanna go to some place, to some very beautiful place. Like I've never filmed at that place for you guys, and I've been there only once in my life. And truth be told, like that one of the best views I've ever seen, like that place. And today I'm going to go there. And while going there, we're going to just take a look at what's going on this street. There's so many activities today. There's so many things going on, like right here, as I guess, like you can buy a book or just get it to read. Wait, I wanna walk around this thing, this green thing, to take a look a bit closer. Yeah, there are like plenty of different books. And maybe you can just take it for free. I'm not sure. It's all in Russian, in my native language, because I'm a Russian native speaker. Yeah. And on the both sides of the streets, there are restaurants, and there was a grocery store, for example. There was a cafe, bars, and stuff, and things of that nature. Like shelves, 2 shelves with books. Oh, you can buy it. Here is the price. Like a big collection. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. I just hit someone. Yo, and these are portraits. These are portraits. Faces of some woman. Yeah, he's an artist and he's been painting. He's been drawing a face of a woman. That's very beautiful. It looks so realistic, like, look at that. That's realistic, and all these drawings, like, are faces of real people. Oh, that's scary. That does look scary, bro. 1, 2, 3 artists. Oh, and here we got a grocery store with Chinese stuff, Chinese food. I wanna get in, I wanna explore the Chinese store. Wait, hold on. It's really in Chinese, look at that. Wait. What can we get here? Does anybody know Chinese here? Guys, like, do you speak Chinese? If you speak Chinese, or if you're from China, let me know in the comments. We got snacks, drinks. What is that? Is that a leg of a chicken? That's a chicken. Nah. Chinese. Russian drinks. Alright, Chinese candies. Wait. Chinese candies. We are in the Chinese store right now. I know only one word in Chinese. Ni hao. Also we got cookies. Really narrow aisles, like only for one person, to be honest. Okay. You can get an umbrella in case it's raining, and toys. You can pay for everything. Alright. Guns. Chinese guns. Alright, let's get out. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Wow, I want to get this one. By the way, W song. I love that song. Wow, here you can get condoms. It's for condoms. Just the whole store is dedicated to condoms. I've never seen that. Before. Bakery. French. We got French, we got Chinese, we got condoms, we got Russian souvenirs. That's really diverse, like it's a really diverse place. Different cultures. We got Turkish restaurant, bro. Turkish. Oh man, like this place is so international. I mean, in terms of stores and cafes, so international. Cause Turkish, Chinese, what else? Russian, condoms. They arranged this kind of garden, artificial garden, right? Yeah, not natural, but looks very beautiful. And it makes shades, you know, when it's hot, when it's sunny, this construction makes shades. And here is the Russian part. Alright, just let's count how many different cultures we are going to see today. It was already around 4. What is that? Turkish, döner and waffle, döner. Alright then. Here is the restaurant dedicated to green bike. It's a green bike. Oh, wow! It looks like a mini castle, like mini castle. And just a regular house where people live. Imagine like if you live there and you have an apartment with a view of this street. Isn't it great? Like, it's so clean right here. So cool. So many people. It's already like a road for cars, but the whole this area and that area behind, it was only for walking, for pedestrians. Look at that! Robots. Delivery robots. And this guy is changing a battery over the robot just to get them ready to operate on the streets. That's real flowers. Yeah, that's nice. And then they are going to put food inside these robots and deliver the food to people. Yeah, here's the robot. Come on, man, come on. And here is again the artist. And here we go. Here we are. American place, bro. American place. Look at that. The story behind the place is that I went here once with my friends and I got Belgian burger, right? Belgium with the two really thick waffles, very very tasty waffles, and we got American hot dogs and other snacks. So it's called California. Again, it's written in Russian language. That's kind of weird because they were supposed to write it in English if they want to present themselves as a American restaurant. But it's alright. We got Oscar, golden statue. We got a Charlie Chaplin, or someone, I don't know who is that. An American restaurant, but I don't want to go inside. Like, and I love this weather. It's already evening, like it's going to be sunset in a couple of hours. And the sun's right there. You see that star, the closest star to our planet Earth. Really hot star. The temperature of the sun, as far as I remember, is around 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's again Turkish cuisine. We have many different cuisines. You can read it, Turkish cuisine. It's like a Turkish street, honestly. We have owls, owl cafe with real owls. Look at that, yellow eyes with real owls. It's just a big apple. Wow. Look at that. It's like 10 meters. I don't know. You can go actually inside, and what can you buy inside? Apples. Boom, boom, boom. Cherry. Cherries, different cherries. Yeah. It's not an apple, it's cherry. Okay. I was wrong, guys. I was wrong. That's a huge cherry. Never mind. Guys, I'm thirsty, so I'm going to go in a grocery store to buy a bottle of water. Let's go. Grocery store. The door open. I need a bottle of water, Not here. Right here. Ice cream. Don't really wanna. Bottle of water. Chips. Mexican chips. Nachos. Wait, I wanna compare the price. More expensive, cheaper, but wait, is it like still water? Yeah, it's still water. Oh, by the way, there is like a cafe right inside the store where they cook and you can buy already cooked food. Meats and pizza and something croissants. Yeah, you can sit right here and just eat. Boom! The tallest building we've seen today. Wow, it's very, very tall. I got a hydration break, a little bit, hydration break. Not to get dehydrated. Hydration, that's a cool word. Hydrated. Whew, like in a desert. Plus 40, maybe plus 80. I'm melting. Alright, and now we're getting closer to the place. I was so excited to show you. Here is the a bridge over the river, and we're going to sit there. Wait, I need to go there. Correct. Green grass, well cut, lawn. It's lawn. That view was better during the night, and yeah, like in real life it looks better than on the camera. Like I see the camera right now, and camera doesn't do any justice. It doesn't do any justice. Like in real life it looks better. We got Moscow downtown, skyscrapers, river, a bridge. Yeah, you'd better guys to come here and see this with your own eyes. With your own eyes is going to be better. If I stop like this. Like if I'm here again at night, I will film it and I will show it to you in my group chat on Telegram. Here, by the way guys, I have a group chat for English learners on Telegram. I created that chat so you guys can find the speaking partners or just make more friends from all over the world. You can join, the link is going to be in the description and in the pinned comment. Wow. I should definitely come by here in the night. Yeah, just chilling, you see? A person. And yeah, here you can stay next to other people and enjoy the view. What a nice sky. I'm just scared, like, is it reliable? Is this floor reliable? Hope I'm not gonna fall. Oh man, it's really old. Look at this. Like, I can actually fall, so I don't know. I don't wanna go there. I better go inside. This bridge looks very good inside. Okay, I went out of that bridge and I'm going toward the big fountain. And this building is a railway station. Look at how many birds. Pigeons. No, it's not pigeons. What is that? Sparrow, not sparrow. Raven. Too small. I have no idea. Well, and here is the fountain. So yeah guys, right now I'm going to go home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a good day and learn something new in terms of English. Thank you guys. Keep going, learning English. Love you. Bye bye.